Hello again. Let's briefly touch upon vehicle diagnostics. What is the definition and purpose of vehicle diagnostics? Okay, let me take a pointer. Vehicle diagnostics refers to process of identifying, analyzing and troubleshooting ideas in vehicles, electronic and mechanical systems using specialized tools and software. All right, understand this definition properly. You identify, you analyze and troubleshoot the issues in vehicles, both electronic and mechanical systems. And how do you do it? By using specialized tools and software. Modern vehicles rely heavily on electronic control units. Well, this is common knowledge. Nowadays, more and more ECUs, electronic control units, are being used in the vehicles, and they are used to manage engine performance, emissions, transmission, braking, safety systems, etc. Now, diagnostics help in detecting malfunctions early, reducing repair time and costs, ensuring compliance with the emission regulations. This is very important. Okay, even as the vehicle is getting older, the vehicle must ensure the compliance of the emission regulations, and it also improves the vehicle performance and longevity. Now, what are the various key components of vehicle diagnostics? The vehicle diagnostics components are similar to what we discussed in the previous, but there are some subtle differences. We will see them carefully one by one. First is electronic control units, small computers controlling different systems, and these are the various types of ECUs. ECM, electronic engine control module, it manages the fuel injection, ignition timing. Next is the transmission control module, which controls the gear shifting. Next is the ABS module, which manages the anti-lock braking. And next is the body control module, which handles the lights, windows and security. Now, what are the various types of sensors and actuators? Sensors are oxygen sensors, crankshaft position sensors. These sensors, they provide the real-time data and they help to proactively monitor the health of the vehicle. And what are the actuators? Actuators, in very crude term, they are the actual executives. They are the actual executioners. For example, fuel injectors or throttle valves, they execute the ECU commands. Based on the commands, whether they inject the valve, inject the fuel or enhance the fuel injection, all these things are taken care by the actuators. Now, coming to the actual diagnostic codes, the actual standardized diagnostic code, for example, P0172, equates to system is too rich. Now let me elaborate. In this category, the first letter P, it can be replaced by C, B or C or U. So P stands for powertrain, which includes engine and transmission. Next, B stands for body, which includes airbags and climate control. C stands for chassis, which includes the ABS and the steering. And U stands for network, which includes the communication errors. Now, next is the OBD part data link connector. Okay, this is the actual connector through which a scanner is connected to the vehicle, or this is the doorway through which a technician can see the inside of the vehicle. What is that doorway? It is a standardized 16-pin connector, which is manufactured as per the standard SAE J1962. Now it is used to connect scan tools, code readers, or wireless adapters. Now coming to the communication protocols, well, different manufacturers use different communication protocols, whether it is a CAN bus standardized by ISO 15765, modern vehicles, especially they are used in modern vehicles after 2008. And this communication, another protocol is ISO 91412, KWP 2000, older European and Asian cars, and J1850, PWM, VPW, older GM and Ford vehicles. So these are the various communication protocols that are prevalent in the modern vehicles. Now, let's briefly see the diagnostic process step by step. How exactly the diagnostics is done. I hope by now all of you understood what is meant by diagnostics. It is simple, like I'm sure in whichever city you are living, you will be seeing lot of diagnostic shops or diagnostic beside hospitals. You will be seeing some diagnostic clinics. They just see the inside of your health and give the report. So likewise, diagnostic of the vehicle means it diagnoses the health of the vehicle and gives a proper report. Now, how do you go about it? First is you connect the diagnostic tool, plug into OBD-II port. Next, retrieve the DTCs, scan for stored or pending codes, and interpret the codes, use repair manuals or databases. And you also check live data. Next, you check the live data through the multi-sensor readings. What is the fuel trim, what is the RPM, what is the O2 sensor voltage, oxygen sensor voltage, all these things you proactively check in live. Next is perform active tests. All right, so you command the actuators, you deliberately try to inject some parameters. For example, you command the actuators and turn on the fuel pump and see, and next you verify the repairs. Next you clear the codes and test drive to confirm the fixes. Okay, so as you go deep into chapters, deep into the training session, you will understand what I'm talking about. As of now, you just get an idea that these are the basic steps that are used in diagnostics. Okay, now what are the basic or more common diagnostic applications? Engine performance issues, whether it is misfiring or fuel system faults or ignition problems. And when it comes to transmission, whether it is a slipping gear denoted by P0700 or P0730, or solenoid failures like P0750 or P0770, or whether it is a emissions control, catalytic converter efficiency, evap leaks. When it comes to electrical and electron network issues, CAN bus communication errors, battery charging faults. So these are the various common diagnostic errors that may sprout out after the diagnostic process step by step is completed. After you complete the diagnostic process step by step, these are the various faults that may be detected. Now, what are the various future trends in vehicle diagnostics? Okay, we will be discussing the future trends in a very elaborate manner in the coming chapters, but as of now, just to give you an idea, the most important trend is AI powered diagnostics. As you know, AI is making a rapid foray into every field. In every field, AI is making a rapid foray. So the most important thing is AI powered diagnostics. Machine learning predicts failures before they occur. Over the air updates, Tesla and automotive makers push software fixes remotely. And when it comes to augmented reality and diagnostics, guided repairs via smart glasses. I'm sure you would have seen off late some technicians, they just put the smart glasses over their face and they can see the inside of the vehicle. Especially this is spearheaded by Mercedes-Benz. Next important trend is blockchain for secure data logging. So this ensures that nobody can prevent the tampering, nobody can tamper with the diagnostic records. All right. Now, when it comes to conclusion, vehicle diagnostics have evolved from simple mechanical checks to sophisticated computer-aided troubleshooting. With advancements in AI, IoT, cloud computing, the future of diagnostics will focus on predictive maintenance, wireless connectivity, and automated repairs. Whether you are DIY enthusiast or a professional technician, DIY means do it yourself. Okay, whether you are keen to see how diagnostics is affecting the vehicle, or if you want to see the health of the vehicle by yourself, you can call yourself a DIY enthusiast. Okay, understanding diagnostics is essential for efficient vehicle maintenance. All right, so this understand this. It has evolved from simple mechanical checks to sophisticated computer-aided troubleshooting. All right, now how even Wi-Fi, how 5G is also affecting it, we will see in the future chapters. Thank you.